Alright, so I'm back here with my square program. You'll remember that last time it asks you how big a square should be, and then you tell it, I want it to be 50 big, and it makes a little square for you. Now, at the moment, it's pretty smart. It can draw squares of different sizes, but it doesn't know anything about the square. Maybe it could tell us the perimeter of the square. Maybe it could tell us the area of the square. We can program it to do that. So what I'm going to do is go into my looks category here. Now, so once it's done everything, once it's drawn the square, I'm going to get it to say the perimeter is equal to ... Let's watch what happens now. How big is the square? 78. The perimeter is equal to, and it stops. It doesn't do anything else, doesn't know yet. So in order for it to know, we're going to have to create the maths behind it. Now the perimeter is going to be equal to, for a square, it's going to be equal to the length times 4. So we have this little thing here in our operators. Now what's it going to be equal to? Well, it's going to be equal to side length. So there's our variable, side length times 4. So let's move that over so we can see it. So now we want him to say side length times 4. Alright, let's see what happens now. How big should the square be? 57. The perimeter is equal to 228. Alright, done. Now for those among us who aren't happy with how he's saying that, 228, let's go one step further and use one of our operators here, the join operator. That's just going to let us join two things together into one phrase. So you can say side length units. How big is the square? 225. Whoops. The perimeter is equal to 900 units. Let's put a space in there, and we're done. Alright, so that's it. That's how we can get it to calculate things. If you really wanted to go nuts with the join, you could also get him saying all of that. So I've nested joins there. He can say it all in one go. 57. Done. Alright, so there's how we can do some calculations in our coding simply by using our operators here.